I've done my tax return, now what? So the first thing to do is to congratulate yourself. Completing your tax return or doing the figures is an accomplishment to be celebrated. So congratulations. Secondly, grab a nice cup of tea or whatever you prefer, get your figures out and have a look at them. So what we're looking at is from a numbers perspective. You know how the year went, you were there. And now we're looking at what was the result of all that in numbers. So if you get your figures out and look, what worked? What went well? What made money? Second question, what didn't work? What didn't make money? What did you think was going to work that didn't? So essentially, what worked? What didn't work? And lastly, now you know that, what are you going to do differently this year? So that can be really useful to look. And that's one of the reasons to do your tax return in April, is what would you do differently this year, having seen your figures? And the last thing to do is to take your figures and put them conveniently in a file. I've got one here marked tax, and the idea is to put them somewhere you can find them. The other thing I do for the more advanced users is at the front of my file, I list how much tax I've got to pay, so I know in January, but also I can look at a glance how much tax I paid over the last few years. It's really handy. And that's it. Congratulations. Thank you for watching.